Yeah, I'd like to meet someone to have fun with.
Is it just a one-time thing you're looking for a regular?
I would normally say no, but I'm not looking for something serious at the moment. I don't see anything wrong with a bit of casual fun.
We heard that Tinder, Bumble, Badoo, Plenty of Fish, Zeus, and so many other dating apps out there could be the place to hook up, getting something casual or becoming friends with benefits. So here at Premium Life, we did a little experiment.
To see if it was possible to hook up with just one message. So we did that, and you won't believe the response that we got from some women.
So let me give you from our girls dating program one message that's going to get all the girls to your place.
All right, so we did a study and we texted 200 girls with the same message to see if they were down to hook up immediately. And now let's take a look at some of the responses. Appreciate your honesty, but I'm not interested. Appreciate your honesty. Many thanks for your interest. I like your honesty. Thanks for the offer, but I will have to turn it down. I'm sorry. So as you can see, this is not your typical sex message. I mean, they're thanking me for my honesty. And some of them are like, thank you for the offer too. So let's go ahead and read more messages. Sure, sounds good. Big X. Well, at least you're up front. Doesn't sound like a bad deal to me.
I love your name. It's beautiful. Thank you for your honesty. Let's go. I'm in.
Very interested. Yeah, I'd like to meet someone to have fun with. Now that's an offer I cannot refuse. Like your honesty. Yes, sounds fun. I always like fun.
That's what most men on here want, so you don't have to say it out loud anyway. Why not? Me too, but in Bratislava. How does no strings work? Hey, what are you doing today? That's interesting. But do you have a girlfriend or wife? Hey, thanks for the message. I like your honesty. Where do you live though? Hey, where are you? XXX. I'd be up for thanks for the honesty. I'd be happy to. If I fancy you, then maybe. But I'll have to see you in person. Is it just a one-time thing you're looking for a regular?
That sounds interesting. Let's give it a try. Yes, please add me on Snapchat, babe. I'm in the babe level now. I would normally say no, but I'm not looking for something serious at the moment. Ching ching. That's a tough one, as I'm not really in the market for casual hookups, but also don't expect to meet my future husband on Tinder, so I'd be up to see what happens. Win. With an introduction like that, what took you so long to say hi? I'm open-minded and intrigued to hear more. It wasn't what I was looking for initially, but I don't see anything wrong with a bit of casual fun. Hello, sorry, but I'm not interested in casual sex. One day later, you know what? I think we can go for a drink and then we'll see. Ding. All right, so by now I know you're really curious of what message did we send to get these responses back. Well, I could tell you that we were very smart about it. We didn't just send a message to say, hey, what's up? You wanna f-? So I could tell you, we tested the message, we improved the message, and then we perfected the message. And now you can download the exact words
from our girls dating program, which you can find in the description down below.
Have fun.